Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to introduce myself to you. My name is Wina Putri Andrila. You can call me Wirna. Student identification number 19231152. I will explanation the phenomenon of change the color of seawater to green. The seawater in city of Padang, West Sumatra turned green. This is caused by climate change, which cause population explosion of algae, which cause an imbalance of the ecosystem where phytoplankton production explodes. The bloom of algae is an event where the amount of algae in the waters is booming, result in abundance of chlorophyll in the sea. The green algae can endanger the survival of fish habitat in the sea because it can pollute oxygen in the water and release toxins that are dangerous for the survival of fish in the sea. The seawater of Padang City, West Sumatra suddenly turns green. This is caused by climate change, which causes an explosion in the population of algae. This condition affects the fish catch. Science aspect: number 1, biology, number 2, physics, and then chemistry. The cause of algal bloom is the presence of excess nutrients, which cause the population in the waters to cause the population to become very large. In addition, there are also other causes that cause the number of algae to increase rapidly. One of them is global warming that has increased in recent years has made water temperature also increase. Increasing the temperature in the water will help the activity of algae metabolism. The result of algae metabolism is the activity, and activity is diffusion, which will take place faster. Disposal of waste that contains a lot of phosphate in the water, such as household detergent waste, can also be a factor in cause algae blooms. The explosion in the amount of phosphate in the waters will trigger the very rapid growth and development of algae, and of course will be very detrimental to various aquatic animals and plants that live in these waters. The change in the color of seawater to green is caused by an imbalance in the ecosystem, where phytoplankton production explodes, while the coast like fish. So that when a blooming occurs, this phytoplankton is pushed by the wave of the shore. Algae blooming is an event in which the amount of algae in the water is booming, result in abundance of chlorophyll in the sea. Phytoplankton that live on the surface of the water use sunlight and carbon dioxide to carry out the photosynthesis process. Change in the color of seawater to green caused by algae or green algae can be dangerous for the survival of fish habitat in the sea, because it can pollute oxygen in the water and release toxins or poison that are harmful to the survival of fish in the sea. Change in climate and erratic temperature can affect the movement of the water mass to become abnormal, so that green algae appear on the surface of the sea. Climate change is getting warmer and can trigger phytoplankton in some areas to bloom. When the phytoplankton blooms, sunlight penetrates into the ocean and reflects light from the organism, result in a change in the color of seawater to green. Warning: seawater change the main characteristic of the ocean and can affect the growth of phytoplankton. As the temperature of the seawater increases, there is less vertical mixing that occurs in the sea. The change in the color of the water to green is also caused by environmental pollution by industrial waste. Industrial waste can increase the algal bloom or plankton population explosion. Factors that cause discoloration of seawater: number 1, blooming algae or ecosystem imbalance. Number 2, climate change and temperature is uncertain. And then pollution by industrial waste. Biology factor: number 1, phytoplankton production explode or blooming algae. Number 2, chlorophyll in the sea is booming. And 3, endanger the sustainability of fish habitat in the sea because of oxygen pollution. Physics factor: number 1, change in climate and erratic temperature can affect the movement of the water mass to become abnormal, so that green algae appear on the surface of the sea. Reflection of sunlight that penetrates into the ocean and reflect light from these organisms, so that the seawater change color to green. Chemical factor: pollution by waste. The change in the color of seawater to green is also caused by environmental pollution by industrial waste. Industrial waste can increase the algae bloom or plankton population exploits. Okay, that's the explanation of the change in the color of seawater to green on the coast of Padang. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.